Okay guys, today we are going to talk about slope formula. And our formula is m, which represents slope, equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So they may give you a table of information. And what I want you to do first is to identify your x1, x2, okay? Time will always be on your x-axis when we graph. And this will be y1 and y2. So all we're doing is filling in our numbers into the equation to solve. So if I take y2, 1,220, minus y1, which is 520, divided by 8, which is x2, minus x1, which is 3. That's going to give us 700 over 5. So this is meters per minute. But I want you to take it one step further. I want you to simplify. 700 divided by 5 is 140. So that will be 140 meters per minute. Okay, that's the answer that I'm going to look for. Now, instead of a chart, they may say, okay, well, what's the slope of the line that passes through these 2 points? Now, I want you to realize that right here, this is your x1, this is your y1. So this is a point. x2, y2. This is another point. So it's the same thing, just in a different format. We are going to fill in everything just like we did. The first set of points, x1, y1. The second set of points, x2, y2. Okay, so on the top I'm going to have 13 minus 7 divided by x2, which is 6, minus x1, which is 4. That's going to get us to 6 divided by 2, and then 3 over 1. So that is our final answer for that one. Now, something else they may show you. Let me get the next paper. Let's see. They may show you a graph of a line and say, here, tell me let's see if I can get one. I'll draw it. We can draw it. If I draw a line, let's say here's a point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll try to make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll try to make it as perfect as possible. If I were to draw a line here, they want to know what the slope of this line is. All right, well, I see that there's 2 points. Here's a point, and here's a point. When you're looking at a line, I want you to actually count. Okay, so let me get a different color pen. What they are doing is I need to go from this point to this point to find my slope. And slope is rise over run. So we always want to rise or fall first and then run. And it's just like a book. You're going to read it left to right. So if I start at 0, 0 and I want to go to this point, I'm going to go up 2 and I'm going to go over to this point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So I went up 2, and I went over 5. So your slope is 2 over 5 for this line. Okay? So we always rise or fall first, then we run. So think of it as you have to stand up first as a little baby before you start walking. Okay? All right. That's it on slope. Good luck, guys.